Hey guys, welcome to my mom's baking channel. Today we will be making cookie mug cakes. If you're randomly craving for cake and you're not in the mood to bake, this is the perfect way to stop your sweet cravings. You literally just need your favorite cookie, milk, and a microwave. So let's get right into the video. For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. I'm going to start with the Oreo version first. Place 5 Oreo cookies into a ziplock bag and crush them by using a rolling pin. Now we can add the crushed Oreos into a mug. Make sure that there are no big cookie chunks. This is how it should look like. Set this aside and we'll move forward to the next cookie. So we're basically just going to do the same things with the Chips Ahoy cookies. Place 5 cookies into a ziplock bag and crush them with your rolling pin. Now we can add the crushed cookies into another mug just like so. Lastly, we are going to add our milk to the crushed cookies. 5 tablespoons of fresh milk per mug. I'm just going to take a teaspoon to mix this all up. And that's basically it. This is how it should look like. I'm now going to place my Oreo mug cake into the microwave and cook it on high for about 1.5 minutes. My Oreo mug cake is done. Now we can place our Chips Ahoy mug cake into the microwave as well. My Chips Ahoy mug cake cooked exactly for 2 minutes. Now both are ready for the toppings. For my Oreo mug cake, I'm going to add a scoop of vanilla ice cream. I also love to sprinkle more crushed Oreos on top. For my Chips Ahoy mug cake, I'm going to add whipped cream and also some more crushed cookies on top. Oh wow! These mug cakes are just so yummy, especially if they're still warm topped with vanilla ice cream. These mug cakes are moist and taste like freshly baked cakes. You guys are just going to love this. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Make sure to subscribe for more yummy recipes. Take care and see you next time. Bye!